Hello everyone, I'm Emmanuel Gervas, a cybersecurity expert. Today I want to show you how you can create the table within the database. In the previous video we saw how to create the database. So now today we are going to see how you can create a table within the database. So now let us go directly to the demonstration. As you see here, let me show you the login syntax, which is my SQL -u, I'm root -p. We are there. Let me try to show the databases. Show databases. We have these databases. If you remember, the last tutorial we created the database called Tanzania. So now let us go to use Tanzania. Use Tanzania. As you see here, the database has been changed from none to Tanzania. So now we are in Tanzania. So to create the table, you have to know an important thing, which is that the table consists of column and rows. The columns will be defined to the syntax here, to the syntax that I'm going to write, but the rows will depend on the data that you will insert into it. So to create the table, you will use the previous command that create, which is used to make a new table or a new database. So now in this way, the create syntax will make the new table. So let me write that create table. Let's name it as this Tanzania. Let's use the simple scenario that we have Tanzania as a country. So now let us create a table of regions together. Yeah. So create a table regions. So now it is where we are going to define our columns. So let's name the column 1 as ID. Identification number. ID. The ID have the data type of integer, where we write as int. The size of this int, anyway, you may write 10, you may write 5, depends on your need. Let us use 10, comma. The second column, let us name it as regions name. Yeah, regions name. The regions name, it has the data type of variable character, where we write it as varchar. Let's give the mem size as 100. As you know, the names vary each as Arusha, Kigoma, Tabora. Their names vary in length, so that's why you have used variable character. Let us send up there by using only 2 columns to avoid any confusion. Then let us end with semicolon, then you click enter. Have you seen the query is okay? Still affected. It has used 0.200 second to execute. So now let me show you the database, the table that you have created, if it is there. We use the normal command that it is show table, show tables, yeah, that one. Have you seen The tables in Tanzania is regions. You can create more than one. So that is the end of our story. If you haven't understand anywhere, you can leave a question to the comment section. I'll answer you immediately. And if you have any new idea that is different from this one, you can share with me. As you know, no one is perfect. Okay, thank you very much. Let you have a good day.